Laptops are great for working from a coffee shop or other remote locations. But let's be honest, being hunched over a 13-inch screen for 8 hours a day is miserable for your posture and your productivity. You want the comfort of a desktop, but you don't want to buy a whole new computer. Well, you don't have to. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn the laptop you already own into a desktop. I'll cover the easy method that works for everyone, and then I'm going to give a reality check to the DIYers out there who want to rip their laptops apart. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. For most people watching, this is the method you want. We aren't opening the laptop. We are just treating your laptop as the brains of the operation and connecting external hardware. To do this, you need three things: an external monitor, a dedicated keyboard, and a mouse. If you have a modern laptop, you probably noticed you don't have enough ports to plug all that stuff in. The secret is a docking station or a USB hub. This little device lets you plug your monitor, keyboard, mouse, internet cable, and power charger all into the hub, and then run just one single cable to your laptop. It makes connecting and disconnecting incredibly fast. Once you plug your monitor in, it might just mirror your laptop screen. We don't want that. We want a true desktop experience. Here's how to fix it in Windows. Right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings, and right here, select the option for Show Only On To. Of course, that's dependent on if your external monitor is Display To. This turns your laptop screen black and makes your big external monitor the main screen. If you're on a Mac, it's even easier. As long as your keyboard is connected and the laptop is charging, just close the lid. It's called clamshell mode and your monitor will automatically take over. And just like that, you have a desktop. You can put your laptop on a stand next to the monitor as a second screen or tuck it away completely. Your neck will thank you. Okay, now for the DIYers. I've been asked, can I rip the guts out of my old laptop and install them into a desktop PC tower? The short answer is yes, technically, but it may not be worth the effort. Here's the reality check. Desktop parts are standardized, they fit easily into cases. Laptop motherboards, however, are like weird little puzzle pieces designed for only one specific chassis. The screw holes won't line up with a desktop case, meaning you'll be drilling custom holes, risking electrical shorts. Furthermore, laptop cooling systems are designed for tight spaces, not for open airflow. If you put them in a big case, they can overheat. If you have a dead laptop, don't transplant the motherboard. Instead, salvage the storage drive and maybe the RAM to save money on a new budget desktop build. This is a much better use of your time. So stick to the docking station method. It's the easiest, safest way to breathe new life into your hardware and get that big screen experience. Let me know in the comments if you have turned a laptop into a desktop. And if this video helped save your posture, check out this other one for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.